Guten Tag, name's Germany, and I have been asked by Italia to do this what you call audition video for Ask a Nation panel at Sabo. Well, for the first question, why do I believe that I belong in this panel? Well, I am Germany, and I keep everything under control. Plus, I take notes, I listen, unlike others, and I clean before and after every meeting. Second question, what am I looking forward to most at the panel? Well, Italia made me go, and I guess I get to see everybody, and I usually have no friends. On to the next question, and final one. How would I handle crazy fangirls / fanboys at the panel? Easy, treat them like Italia. Ask if you want a hug, no glamping, or I will shoot you. Danke for listening. I'll see you there. Guten Tag, name's Germany, and I have been asked by Italia to do this, what you call... Name's Germany, and I have been asked by Italia to do this, what you call...